5 foods you should avoid packing in your teen's lunch. Today, we're diving into a super important topic that can hugely impact your teen's health and academic performance: the foods they eat for lunch. We all know that what we eat affects how we feel and function, especially during those crucial teenage years. Let's talk about some common lunch foods that might be doing more harm than good, and what healthier alternatives you can offer instead. Teenagers are in a critical phase of growth and development, both physically and cognitively. Their bodies and brains need the proper nutrients to support this rapid change. Healthy school lunches are vital for providing the energy, vitamins, and minerals they need to excel in and out of the classroom. Unfortunately, many common lunch foods can be detrimental to their health, leading to issues like obesity, poor focus, and chronic diseases. Before we go further, remember to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button below. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends or on your social media platforms. Now, let's dive back into the video. Understanding which foods to avoid can help parents and guardians make better nutritional choices for their teens. Number 1. Avoid sugary snacks and desserts. Sugary snacks and desserts are among the top culprits of unhealthy lunch foods. These high-sugar items cause quick spikes in blood sugar levels, followed by sudden crashes, leading to poor attention and lower school productivity. Regular consumption can also harm oral health, increasing the risk of cavities and other dental issues. Additionally, excessive intake of sugary foods contributes to weight gain and obesity-related health problems. To improve health and maintain higher energy levels, replace sugary snacks with healthier options like fresh fruit, yogurt, or homemade granola bars. Number 2. Processed meats, like deli meats and sausages, are high in salt and preservatives like nitrates, which pose significant health risks. These compounds are linked to high blood pressure, cardiovascular disease, and increased risk of cancers, including colon cancer. To mitigate these risks, choose healthier proteins like grilled chicken or turkey, which offer essential nutrients without harmful additives. Plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, or tofu are also excellent alternatives. Number 3. Chips and salty snacks are popular among teens, but pose serious health risks. High salt content can lead to increased blood pressure and dehydration, and put a strain on the cardiovascular system, potentially resulting in heart disease. Salty snacks offer minimal nutritional benefits, often containing unhealthy fats and lacking essential vitamins and minerals. Regular consumption can contribute to poor eating habits and weight gain. Encourage healthier choices by choosing low-salt, nutrient-dense alternatives like air-popped popcorn, whole grain crackers, or vegetable sticks with hummus. These options provide essential nutrients while satisfying cravings more healthily. Number 4. Sugary drinks, including soda and sports drinks, pose a significant health risk due to their high sugar content. Regular consumption is associated with an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, dental issues, and obesity. These beverages contribute excessive calories with little nutritional value, leading to weight gain and poor health. Instead, encourage drinking water, which is calorie-free and hydrating. Water infused with fruits and herbs or unsweetened herbal teas are an excellent alternative. They provide hydration and additional vitamins and antioxidants. Number 5. Pre-packaged convenience foods are famous for their ease and speed, but often contain artificial ingredients, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. These foods offer little nutritional value and contribute to poor dietary habits. Preparing meals or snacks at home is a better choice, providing more control over ingredients and nutritional content. Opt for whole grain sandwiches with lean proteins like turkey or chicken, colorful vegetable salads, and fresh fruit. These homemade options are nutrient-dense, free from harmful additives, and promote healthier eating habits. Promoting good nutrition and well-being for teens means avoiding unhealthy lunch options. Prioritize well-balanced meals with whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Parents can significantly improve their teens' academic performance and physical health by focusing on nutrient-dense choices and healthy lunch habits. Remember, small changes can significantly affect a child's overall health and success. If you liked this video, please press the subscribe button for more health-related advice and insights. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We appreciate your time, and we'll see you next time. Be healthy and keep flourishing.